Welcome back, wheel enthusiasts. This is Skid Vis, and you're listening to the Covered Wheel Weekly Wrap-up. Before we dive into this week's data, remember, this is not to be considered financial advice. Let's roll into the numbers. Last week was a wild ride, folks. CoveredWheel.com, quote S data shows a decidedly bearish tilt, with 65% puts versus 35% calls. This bears out in the broader market too, as we saw SPY take a nosedive, dropping 9.67%. Yikes! Now let's spin through our top 5 tickers. Leading the pack is NVDA, showing some interesting mixed signals. We're seeing 60% calls and 40% puts here. That's a lot of optimism for a stock in a down market. In second place, we've got XOP, and hold on to your hats, because this one's going full bull. That's right, 100% calls on XOP. Seems like some wheel strategists are betting big on energy. Now for our bearish trio, Hood, SMCI, and SOFI are all showing 100% puts. Wheel players are clearly not feeling the love for these stocks right now. We've also got some notable mentions. Keep your eyes on PLTR, TSLA, and LUNR. These might present some interesting wheel opportunities in the coming weeks. Let's break down some key observations. First, NVDA's mixed sentiment is fascinating. Despite the market taking a beating, there's still a good chunk of call activity here. What are these options traders seeing that others might be missing? And how about XOP? In a sea of bearish sentiment, it's standing out like a lighthouse of bullish optimism. Is this a sign of strength in the energy sector, or are wheel strategists getting ahead of themselves? Remember, wheelies, the name of the game is managing risk while generating income. Whether you're selling puts or calls, always do your due diligence. That's all for this week's spin around the covered wheel. I'm Skid Vis, reminding you to keep those wheels turning and your risk managed. And once again, this is not to be considered financial advice. Happy wheeling, and we'll catch you next week.